Right, hey, what's up people? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you're watching. It's your boy here. My name is Simmy Kenya, S to the K, and of course I'm here with this amazing crew here, and I just want to tell you something. If you are watching this and you don't know what is new in town, there is one new hit song that is out there and it's going round. Amazing, amazing, amazing for your loved ones, for everyone that is in love. Mimi na Wewe is a song by this great gentleman called Jp Ondisi. Ebu, can you say hi? Just say hi.
Hi people, this is Jp Ondisi, Woduma Korinto Makakarano 00.
And of course, the video, or rather the song is called Mimi na Wewe.
Mimi na Wewe.
Me and you.
Yeah,
hapa tuko wanaume ningesema mimi na. Me and you. So, guys, go to YouTube. Tafuta Jp
Ondisi.
Jp Ondisi.
Yeah.
Makende Ondisi mo kondisore. So don't mind that. Even if you find the person there is only resembling the name, don't worry.
Jp Ondisi.
Kata kiyudo kanga mani kanyo pogore gi nyinge. Don't worry. What you do, hit the subscription button, put the notification bell, of course watch, share and have a good time enjoying Mimi na Wewe. Ladies and gentlemen, let's support this guy because the song, if you have not heard it or if you have not watched it, you're missing a lot. Maybe you have someone you love and you're looking for a dedication song, or you want someone to just feel good about how you feel about them. That is the song to do. Of course, subscribe to Jp Ondisi, watch, share, and let's go big together. Ama namna gani?
Mimi na wewe.
This is imba tuko wanaume. So mimi
unashangaa kwani wako na nani?
Mimi na nani? So watch guys, it's a good song, doing amazing stuff, and of course let's grow together.
Yes.
Thank you. Ama namna gani?
Namna hiyo.
Ladies, men, you can get your more from where you normally get them. Of course, we are here with Jp Ondisi doing amazing stuff. Support him. Let's grow together. Ama namna gani?
Kabisa.